This YouTube channel with simple shorts is making almost $24,000 every single month. I made over 100 of these shorts in less than 20 minutes using nothing but Canva and ChatGPT. In this video, I'll teach you exactly how I did that. You can make these videos and earn an insane amount of money even if you have no editing or writing skills, just like this channel did.
Wow, that's insane!
So, how did I come up with this idea? At this point, I have become an internet addict, and my attention span is pretty much non-existent. The YouTube algorithm brings about the most random shorts on my homepage. By now, I have watched the entire Young Sheldon series. Anyways, just like that, while I was lured into the abyss of shorts, I saw this masterpiece and I checked out the channel. Trust me, I was in for a shock. All the channels posted were these faceless shorts. These shorts look so amazing and insanely easy to make, making me wonder how much the channel earns from this. And when I checked the stats, my jaw dropped.
Oh my God!
This is nothing but easy money, and it made me wonder that if they can, why can't we? So that's how I came up with this brilliant idea. Stick with me as I show you how to earn with little to no effort. To start making the shorts, we need a script, or in this case, quotes. So let's ask our AI friend ChatGPT for help. Don't forget to greet the AI and thank it for its efforts. It really does help us with lots of our tasks, so you must appreciate it every once in a while to keep it dedicated. First, I told ChatGPT what we were going to do today. Then I started explaining the style of the quotes. I told it that the quotes would have two parts. The first part will act as a hook to capture the audience's attention and make them read the second part. So my aim is to catch people's attention and compel them to watch. I gave 3 examples as well to further help it understand. It always helps to be clear and elaborate in your instruction. It makes the task easier and decreases the chance of ChatGPT giving a wrong response. Also, always appreciate the AI. If you praise certain output, ChatGPT considers it when working on future responses. Just a little pro tip to help you. To test if the prompt worked, I asked ChatGPT to give me a quote as an example. As you can see, it understood what I wanted, so I praised it. Next, I asked ChatGPT to work on 3 themes: friendship, self-care, and life lessons. However, you can go with other themes like love, betrayal, and more if you want. I specified it to give me an example for each theme just so I could test the prompt, and I also specified our target audience as young adults. And ChatGPT delivered. The quotes were perfect. Now I asked ChatGPT to give me the quotes based on the same themes, but now to be about either a boy or a girl. It understood my instructions very well. This next step is very important as it will help us pace our video making process in Canva. I asked ChatGPT to arrange them in Excel format. I also gave it the headings and what I wanted in each of the headings. You can copy the same prompt as me and it will work for you. The thing with ChatGPT is it needs very specific instructions, as I mentioned before. As you can see, when I asked it to generate 50 more quotes, it messed up and didn't give them in Excel format, so I specified it again. This time the quotes also mentioned the theme in them. I didn't want that. I wanted it only to say boy fact or girl fact. Therefore, I asked ChatGPT to regenerate them, and finally, it gave me my desired outcome. So I asked it to generate 100 such quotes for me. ChatGPT can't generate a lot of quotes at once, so you need to keep clicking on Continue Generating until you have all the quotes. Once you have all the quotes, copy and paste them into either Excel or Google Sheets. You can adjust the setting of the sheet as you desire. We have the quotes. Let's start making the videos now. Go to Canva and select the video option, then select mobile videos. Once the project has opened up, click on the Design tab. As you can see, Canva provides you with various templates, but we need something for quotes so that you can search for them on the search bar. There are so many videos you can use, so whichever one matches the tone of your quote, go with that. In my case, I really like this one, so I will go with this. I'm going to add a text box and shift it to the top. This is where I will add boy fact or girl fact text, but it's too small and barely visible, so I'm going to increase the font size. To make the font more visible, go to Effects and add a background. There are many colors you can choose from, but I like white, so I'll select that. In the second text box, I will add the first part of the quote. I will place the quote in the center of the video, and just like before, I adjusted the settings until I like them. Here is a quick tip. You can use the position option to align your text. I don't need the little design at the bottom, so I'm going to delete this and replace it with a text box with our channel's name. Now I need another text box for the second part of the quote, so I'm going to make a copy of the text box by clicking on the duplicate icon. I copied this text so both parts of the quotes will have the same setting. I'm going to move the clip down and then change the text. To adjust the text, Right-click and select Show Timing. Now you can adjust the text duration. I did 5.5 seconds for the first part, then gave a 1-second break followed by 1.5 seconds for the second part. The second part needs to have a short duration because since it's too fast for viewers to read, they need to watch the video again, and as a result, your watch time gets better. Lastly, these texts had animations, so I'm going to remove those too. Congratulations, your first short is ready. But it will take too long to do this for each short, so now I'll teach you how to make them in bulk, so you don't have to repeat the process. Click on the app icon and search Bulk. Select Enter Data manually. Remove the default data. First, copy and paste the heading from Excel to Canva. Then copy and paste 20 to 30 quotes in Canva. You should do them in batches. You'll understand why later. Now we will connect the text with the data. Right-click on the text and select Connect Data. This is the theme, so I'll connect to the theme. Simple enough, right? Do this to the remaining text respectively. Once you're done, click on Generate Pages and watch the magic happen. Just like that, 25 shorts have been generated. If you want, you can manually change the background of each quote by going to Elements and searching for different videos. Choose a video, click on the dots at the top, and select Replace Background. This can be tiresome if you're making hundreds of shorts, so I generated them in bulk. I don't mind if a few of the shorts have the same background. Therefore, I repeated the same process. Go back to the bulk, create a menu, and click on Enter Data manually. Next, click on Clear Table to remove all the precious data, including the headings. So first I copied and pasted the heading from my Excel sheet, then copied and pasted the next 25 quotes. But this time, before generating the shorts, I went to Elements in the menu and searched for some videos which I thought would match the overall quotes. Like before, I clicked the dots above the video and selected Replace the Background. I noticed that the short length increased because of the new video, so I also trimmed that. Keep this in mind when you create your own shorts. Our work is done, so let's go back to Bulk Create and generate all the shorts in bulk. Just in seconds, 25 more videos with different quotes have been created. Ah, the magic Canva. Now you can export your hard work by clicking on the Share button. Adjust your quality and tick the download pages separately. And with that, you have successfully generated shorts. All that is left is posting. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with all these now. Don't forget to subscribe for more innovative ideas and like this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, see ya!